Welcome back then to the Vetch Field, where after a break of 41 minutes, this game is due to restart. About a minute and a half of the first half to go. The fault caused by an external fault. We've not had full power, in fact, returned to the Vetch Field here, but the referee has decided that, in fact, there is enough light here for the game to continue. As I say, we'll have about a minute and a half of the first half to go, and then we understand that the players will turn round for the second half almost immediately. So then about 40 minutes ago, the action ended over on the far touchline, so the ball will be dropped now by the Finnish referee, Mr. Ravender. Wales, from what I remember, leading by 1-0. Off we go then. Magnus Berg is getting the touch and getting an Icelander throw. Right back Oscarsson. And Jeremy shots away from Bergs. Sure, now this will be the subject of many a quiz question in years to come. And the first corner of the game for Iceland. "86 minutes now since the referee blew the first whistle. And Ian Walsh away. That's Vidar Halderson, number 2, going back. Under pressure, though, from Carl Harris. Robbie James steaming up in support. Here's James. Lays it up for Mahoney. Well, John Mahoney has only scored 1 goal in his career for Wales. A chance there for a second as the ball was played in by Carl Harris. Robbie James laying it off for Mahoney. Over the bar it went. Well, that's it then. The end of the first half. And that first half, including a 41-minute break, took us 88 minutes. I'm sure that the world's governing body, FIFA, will require an explanation from Wales for this. Meanwhile, though, immediately we kick off for the second half. Wales this time kicking off. 1-0 in the lead. Leighton James overrunning it, though. That's the problem. And now Di Davis's goal mouth, the light not fully restored at that end. Goodluckson. Ratcliffe in there with Bergs. And that'll be an Iceland throw. Problem now, of course, for both sets of players will be to get their concentration back. Bergs. Gudjonsson. Oh, there could be something on here for Iceland if he can get his cross in. He can do it, it's a goal. Sigurvinsson. Asker Sigurvinsson gets the touch. What a disaster for Wales. Gudjonsson getting in there at all those players you see there in support. Just the touch there by Sigurvinsson. And that's it then. Wales 1, Iceland 1. What a shock for Wales. 75 seconds into the second half of this dramatic game. Well, now Wales really do face problems. Not only into getting back and winning this game, but in fact getting the goals too they'll need. Alan Curtis. Walsh headed away though by Jonsson. Ratcliffe. Robbie James trying to find Leighton James. Unable to do so though. What a disaster then for Wales. as they were really caught with their pants down, as the Icelanders had 3 men unmarked in the penalty area. Gudjonsson, who created that goal. Edvaldsen. Now Peter Nicholas. Ian Walsh. Robbie James. Trying to pick up Carl Harris, but an ambitious pass. No chance for Carl Harris there. Harris. Carl Harris, though, taking that ball on his left foot, always going wide. And once again here, Gudjonsson almost getting through there. Ratcliffe, bad ball, lucky to get a second bite. Trying to send Curtis free. And Gerson concedes the corner. First corner then of this second half for Wales, fifth of the game. And skipper Leighton James, who's about to take that corner, really has a job now on his hands to lift his team. James. And Gerson concedes a second corner. Martin Gerson, a very experienced campaigner. As Leighton James comes over to take one. Joey Jones at the near post as that ball comes in, but a bad one. Ratcliffe trying to find Leighton James, unable to do so. Wales now will be looking for a lot of discipline and composure. It was goal scorer Sigurvinsson. Curtis on. Handball by Walsh. No, in fact, the referee did not give the free kick for a handball, but for a high kick. Now here's Atli Edvaldsen. Gudjonsson. And Jeremy Charles now for Wales. Ian Walsh making a run left. The ball will go right, though, to Carl Harris. In a one-to-one here. Harris. A chance then again, the second of this half for Carl Harris. Here's the chance, as he had a lot of room there, as you saw, cut inside. But as he switched the ball to his left foot, he dragged it wide of the post. Now Walsh. Charles. And the Welsh throw. Oscarsson away, and Oscarsson fouled there by Alan Curtis. So Wales will be looking for a lot now from Alan Curtis. Needing another 4 goals now in the second half to get over the Czech goal advantage. Nicholas's header. Good leap there by Nicholas. Roy James. That run again by Sigurvinsson. Quite a player, this number 10 for Iceland. Robbie James for Walsh. Sigurðsson taking over from Edvaldsen, but now it's Mahoney. Good ball for Walsh. Trying to get round Gerson. Gudlaugsson. Edvaldsen. Now Leighton James. Leighton James, the cross in. Ball flying off Robbie James, but no danger to Baldursson. Joey Jones and Gudjonsson. Tricky little player, this number 9. Elson. Sigurðsson takes over. Now Harris. Walsh. But Edvaldsen back well. Charles wide for Harris. Harris. And another corner. Wales now warming up the substitute, Liverpool striker Ian Rush. As Leighton James comes over to take the third Welsh corner of this second half, it'll be incessant Welsh pressure now, I'm sure. Alan Curtis on the near post. In she goes, ahead by Curtis, goal! Leighton James's corner kick there, the third of this half, hit towards the near post to Curtis. Lovely finish by the Swansea striker. Alan Curtis's third international goal puts Wales back in the lead by 2-1. 9 minutes gone now of this second half. So Wales then regain the advantage they lost from that Sigurðsson goal. Back in the driving seat again. So now we're back in the position really we left off when the players had to go off because of the failure of the floodlights. Mahoney now then. To Carl Harris. Joey Jones making the overlap for him. And goalkeeper Baldursson didn't know whether to come or not there. Bergs then for Iceland. Sigurðsson. Put under pressure, but gets out of it very well with that ball to Jonsson. Now the skipper Gerson. Oscarsson. Gudlaugsson. Nicholas. Robbie James with Harris outright. Out though to Ratcliffe. Leighton James. What a dramatic night we've had here at the Veg Ready. Mahoney in. Mahoney. And once again here the Welsh crowd can start to chant sunny Spain, sunny Spain. But it's still a long way off. Wales still needing really a couple of goals at least from this game. But it's an Iceland free kick now. Gerson, the skipper. Here's Jonsson. Gerson up right to Gudjonsson. Mahoney though. Curtis. And Leighton James. Trying to find Harris, but that's cut out by Edvaldsen. But now Robbie James has some pace, this man. Watched though by Sigurvinsson. Joey Jones. Good try. Well, Joey Jones has never scored a goal for Wales. Joey having a good go that time though, but the ball always going over Baldersson's crossbar. Joey Jones in defence now. But Gudjonsson. Gudlaugsson. Oscarsson. But now Leighton James for Wales. Wales pushing men up. Jeremy Charles is already at the far post. Short though, and Gudlaugsson collects the ball. This man Sigurvinsson picking up some first-class positions and sending a long ball out for Gudjonsson, but Ratcliffe cuts it out. Now Mahoney. Quite a bit of skill in this Iceland midfield. And once again we have light problems. Some more lights have gone down here. There's Carl Harris. Gets past Edvaldsen. Gets in his cross. Second chance. And the Welsh throw. Jeremy Charles trying to get a header in there at the near post. The ground in some darkness again. Curtis. Free kick then to Wales for that foul by Atli Edvaldsen on Curtis. At this moment, the referee doesn't seem to be too concerned about the light failure. There'll be Leighton James with his free kick, wanting the ball back the full 10 yards. Mahoney. But here's Sigurvinsson. And a chance again for the Icelanders to break. That ball for Gudjonsson. Still Gudjonsson. Away by Ratcliffe. Only though, as far as Sigurvinsson, what a goal! What a goal by Sigurvinsson. So then, with Wales pushing up, looking for another goal, Kevin Ratcliffe had half cleared that ball, but look at this finish from Ásgeir Sigurvinsson. So his second goal brings the country's level once more at 2 goals all. And what drama here tonight at the Betchfield at Swansea. No wonder Welsh manager Mike England rates this man so highly. Now Carl Harris again for Wales, trying to set Curtis free. But again Iceland push forward, and Wales going to have to cover this. Gudlaugsson. But now Mahoney. Leighton James. And Curtis. Ratcliffe. That's a chance for Walsh to turn. Just wide of the post. Ian Walsh not having a great deal of luck tonight with his efforts. Kevin Ratcliffe there going forward. Walsh turning But the ball just passing the left-hand post. Nicholas away, Jeremy Charles. But it's Oscarsson trying to use the pace of Gudjonsson. And once again, Sigurvinsson pushing up at the far post as Gudjonsson finds Edvaldsen. Edvaldsen, still Edvaldsen. And Wales really living dangerously here in defence. Now Wales about to make a substitution, about to bring on Liverpool's 20-year-old striker Ian Rush. Chance then for Walsh. Probably a straight swap, striker for striker, probably we think. Rush probably for Carl Harris. That's the cross for Robbie James. Claims he was balked. Harris keeping the ball in play. Walsh. Wide again though. And Wales ready now then to make the substitution. Ian Rush coming on to win his 4th cap, and yes, Carl Harris off, but in fact the referee not yet ready. Wouldn't allow it. Ormslav. And Nicholas away. Curtis. Crowded out though by Gudlagsson. Sigurvinsson. And Edvaldsen. That's wide. And now a good run here by Edvaldsen from left side of midfield. But Ratcliffe picking up Dai Davis. Curtis beaten to that ball by Vidar Halldórsson. But now Leighton James. Does well to get in his cross. Harris at the far post. Unable to control the ball. Gudjonsson in, but it's Robbie James. Here's Harris wide out right. But a chance for James to cut inside. No power though behind his shot. Gudjonsson again doing well. And a free kick for a foul by Joey Jones on Gudjonsson, so the chance now then for Wales to make the substitution. And Carl Harris, number 11, going off. The crowd not altogether happy with that Welsh decision. But here's Ian Rush coming on to add more firepower to the Welsh attack. Ian Rush in great form at the moment for Liverpool. 5 goals he scored in 3 games in the last fortnight. But first of all, the Welsh defence must face this Iceland free kick. And it'll be that man Sigurvinsson. The wall though. Leighton James away. Curtis. First touch for Rush, trying to set Walsh clear. And Wales get a corner. Corner number 4 of this half then for the goalkeeper Baldur on the face. Rush there on the far post, 20 years of age. Ian Rush. Leighton James in short, but a goal kick. So now then, Wales needing 4 more goals in order to get above the Czechs on goal difference. Coming up to halfway then through the second half. Still Wales 2, Iceland 2. And a real blow this to Welsh hopes of getting to the World Cup finals in Spain next year. Leighton James leaves the throw-in to Kevin Ratcliffe. That's for Jeremy Charles. Doesn't reach him though. And again, Iceland can break, as they've done so well throughout this game. Robbie James's header. But a chance for Dai Davies then to start another Welsh attack. Here's Peter Nicholas. And Ratcliffe. Rush down the left-hand touchline. Here's Ian Rush. Ratcliffe gets to the byline well. Can't pull the ball back quite enough though. Gudjonsson to Gudlaugsson. Sigurvinsson. Really a cocky little player, Sigurvinsson. Gudjonsson beaten that man by Joey Jones. Early ball in for Rush. Wild shot though by Ian Rush. Just a hint, perhaps, there of desperation in Ian Rush's shot. Wales now, I'm sure, at this point would be happy just to get the victory. But that will still leave them with a lot to do if they're to get to Spain. That ball out of play. Iceland throw. "20 minutes then of this game to go as Edvaldsen takes that throw. Foul this time by Gudjonsson. Free kick not taken properly though. Still not taken in the right place. In fact, no, the referee says it is a throw-in. Nicholas then pushing forward. Ratcliffe. Iceland, though, cutting off the avenues for Leighton James at the moment, forcing him to cut back inside and giving themselves a chance to break when the Welsh attack breaks down. Nicholas. Ratcliffe. Now Robbie James has looked dangerous whenever he's got into this sort of position. No foul, but Curtis. Nicholas. For Walsh. In goes Curtis. Push there, surely, by Curtis on Edvaldsen. Fouled by Alan Curtis. Gudjonsson, really lively young striker, this 20-year-old. Bergs. Good ball by Bergs to Sigurvinsson. On an early ball in. And Ratcliffe has to concede the first corner. Iceland looking so dangerous, in fact, on the break. First corner of the game to Iceland. Magnus Bergs in the goalmouth there. Ormslev with it. Now Rush. Good turn. Overrunning the ball though. And Robbie James obstructed by Ormslev. Nicholas can push forward as Iceland stream back. Mahoney the ball, trying to set Walsh free. So many options unavailable there to John Mahoney, looking for the through ball for Ian Walsh. Gudjonsson, a good ball. Edvaldsen. But now Curtis. And Mahoney. Walsh has gone wide. Now if Leighton James can get his cross in, Jeremy Charles at the far post. Here's Charles. Rush. Good save. And in fact, Ian Rush there just offside, I think. But Leighton James cutting back inside and finding Jeremy Charles on the far post. Charles nudging the ball forward, and in fact, I don't think Rush was offside. Jones. Walsh. That away by Gerson. Certain to be one-way traffic now for the rest of this game. The crowd now singing the Welsh national anthem, hoping to inspire their men. But for the moment, Wales must defend. With just a quarter of an hour to go now, for Wales to get this crucial victory. A draw really would leave them needing to win in Russia. Ormslev's throw for Edvaldsen. Here's that man Sigurvinsson again. Now Mahoney. Curtis takes over. He's scored some great goals for Swansea this season. Charles. And Rush and James leaving that to each other. Walsh rather. Here's James. Way by Gerson. Curtis. Lovely skills. Leighton James. And another corner. Seated there by Jonsson. So Wales will push the men forward for Leighton James's corner kick. Alan Curtis in the goalmouth there. Joey Jones at the near post. Ian Rush, 15, the Welsh substitute. Leighton James with it. At the far post. Walsh was coming in there, and another corner. Jonsson clearing. Balderson up for that corner, well taken. Nicholas beaten in the air there, now Gudjonsson. Dangerous little player this. And a saving tackle by Ratcliffe. At the feet of Ormslev. Now here's Sigurvinsson. And an Iceland throw. Just about 12 minutes to go then now. Ormslev to take this throw. In for Edvaldsen. Edvaldsen on, Gudjonsson. And Joey Jones getting the ball away, but being fouled. Wales now looking for support from this crowd. Ratcliffe's ball for Rush. Gets there, does well, Walsh. That ball flying off one of the Iceland defenders, and Iceland get a goal kick. Ian Rush having a couple of nice touches already. Charles wins it, only as far as Sigurvinsson. Now Gudjonsson. Sigurvinsson. He's got some talent, this boy. And Gerson quite happy to pick up his goalkeeper. Nicholas. For Curtis. And an Iceland throw. The Swansea crowd really making their presence felt here as Edvaldsen takes this throw. Really making a good noise. Sigurvinsson pumping it forward for Ormslev. Ratcliffe's header finding Di Davis. Up the field, this ball must go. Robbie James. 10 minutes to go then for Wales to get this victory. Certainly will be a dramatic action-packed 10 minutes this, I'm sure. Gerson away. Ratcliffe then with the Welsh throw. Curtis. Leighton James. That's for Rush and for Charles. Goalkeeper not foul, says the referee. And Baldursson doing well there under pressure. Now Sigurvinsson. Really educated left foot this man has. Finds Magnus Bergs. And again, Gerson back to his goalkeeper. Baldursson, the only Iceland player to have played in Wales before, and he won that game too, a youth game, 1-0 in '78. Gudjonsson. That ball in for this man, Sigurvinsson. Nice layoff. Bergs. Edvaldsen coming in, but Jones away. And that'll be a Welsh throw. Rush. Beaten by Sigurvinsson. Sigurvinsson showing that, given the room, he can absolutely run a game. A lovely left foot he has, but that ball catching Ormslev in an offside position. Eight minutes to go then now in this game. Mahoney has Ratcliffe open left. Ratcliffe has some pace. A good, no, nearly a good cross. looking for Jeremy Charles at the far post, but it was good enough to force Balderson to tip it over for the corner. So Wales can keep up the pressure. Kevin Ratcliffe looking to hit Jeremy Charles at the far post, but the ball just going in and tipped over by Balderson. Here comes the corner. Charles. And again, Balderson does well under pressure. Just 21 years of age, this man. Gudjohnsen. And Vidar Haldarsson. Good tackle by Mahoney. Robbie James. Joey Jones. In then for Curtis. Sigurvinsson, but Mahoney in. Nicholas will go left to Ratcliffe. That's for Walsh. Leighton James. Again, Jeremy Charles at the far post, but James unable to get his cross in. A throw in for Wales. Curtis with just 6 minutes to go now. Ratcliffe, bad one this time. Kevin Ratcliffe hitting that behind the goal. Under 6 minutes then for Wales to clinch this victory they so desperately need if they're going to make it to Spain next year. Wales having dropped one home point, two of the Russians of course can certainly not afford to drop another one. Mahoney for Ratcliffe, but Gudlaugsson in there. Leighton James. Walsh. Charles. Good save, good luck. Jeremy Charles getting in the shots. Here's how the move built up. The cross by Leighton James. Walsh in there. Jeremy Charles hitting the ball sweetly, but Balderson going down well. Time just beginning now then to run out for Wales. Less than 5 minutes to go. But here's Ratcliffe. 4 minutes in fact now to go. Walsh. Leighton James. Once again for Charles. Sigurvinsson away. And an Iceland throw. They'll certainly take their time. Fouled by Gudjohnsen, so Welsh free kick. Joey Jones will take it. Robbie James looking for the short one. And Kevin Ratcliffe had tried to steam in there at the far post. Now Leighton James with a throw. Mahoney to Nicholas. Curtis. And it's Sigurvinsson again, away again, but Joey Jones in, and Wales get a throw. That's in for Rush. But now the chance for Iceland to break. Gudjonsson. And a free kick against Jeremy Charles, a foul on Janus Gudlaugsson. Very clean, well-contested game this, though. We haven't had the trainers on once. Coming up now to the last 2 minutes. Gerson wasting a little bit of time. Now here's Edvaldsen, trying to set Gudjonsson clear. Now possibly one of Wales's last attacks. Just about 90 seconds to go. Ratcliffe forward. Walsh. And now it's Robbie James. Joey Jones, early ball in. Walsh. Away though by Gerson. Nicholas. And Joey Jones. Vidar Halderson conceding the corner in the last minute then of this game. And a despondent looking Welsh bench there as time runs out for Wales. Leighton James with this possibly last chance corner. Walsh. Ratcliffe. And away by Sigurvinsson. Halderson. And Gudjonsson making the break. Surely now Wales have lost their chance. Their concentration, I'm sure, suffered from that 41-minute break due to the fault in the floodlighting system, because having gone in 1-0 in the lead, they came out and conceded a goal almost immediately. So now then at full time, and that's it. The referee's whistle goes for full time. Wales drop a home point, drawing 2-2 in dramatic circumstances here at the Vetchfield tonight. Look, Wales looked to have provided themselves with a platform when they went to goal up halfway through the first half thanks to Robbie James, but then came the 41-minute break because of a fault in the floodlight system. Wales then came out, conceded a goal to Sigurvinsson before Alan Curtis restored the Welsh lead at 2-1. But then it was that man Sigurvinsson again who brought the sides level. 2 goals each. Wales go, in fact, to the top of the group. But what will this mean for their prospects of going to Spain?
At the end of a fast, entertaining game, Ireland emerged the winners by 3-2, and the man of the match as far as Ireland was concerned was the Manchester United striker Frank Stapleton. He got 2 and very nearly had a hat-trick. Here's a look at his moments of glory.
Platini. Good challenge by Whelan. And this is Robinson on the break. Stapleton's pulling away. Oh, good play, Robinson. Stapleton's far post. A great goal! That is a super goal! Marvellous goal! Holding up nicely in there. Stapleton. Here's Moran. Jean-Guyon was in there for France. Now it's Martin for Ireland. Back in again. Stapleton gets ahead. O'Leary. Stapleton. Frank Stapleton. It's 2-0. And there's no flag. And there's no whistle. And the goal counts. Sends one by Ermel. Mahout wins it. In there too is Lawrenson. Gets it back. Robinson. Stapleton. Oh, hard luck, Frank Stapleton. Lawrenson, Robinson in the air, and watch this from Stapleton. That's how close it was. He's had a superb evening. Frank Stapleton, perhaps his greatest ever international.
That would have been number 4 for Ireland if it had gone in. In fact, Ireland's third goal came from Michael Robinson, another man who had a great game.
Jim McDonagh certainly kicking them high. There's Robinson. And Robinson again. Can he wrap it up? Yes, he can. And France have made a present of it. An absolute gift goal.
The French, who got 1 goal in each half, never looked like a side that was going to beat Ireland. Here's a look at their goals.
Platini. Girard again. Curiel. Oh, lovely play of France. This is Ballon. Oh, it's a super goal. One of the best goals we've seen in a long time at Lansdowne Road. Ireland never got a piece of the ball for a long time. Here's Jean-Guyon. 6. That's a beautiful ball by 6 to Jean-Guyon. Chance for France. Stopped by Houghton, and it's in from Platini.
And Ireland's hopes of going to Spain now rest on one game, that between